How y'all like that view? My junky Ram McNally updated today. Map update and everything. It updated all this, the whole system. And I just got through updating it. It just turned itself on, and destination, miles to destination was 1,603. It still did not want to run this 93. So now that we did 93 and it's figured out we're not going to do a U-turn, it's now recalculated to 1,294. But it's only 1,190 miles from here to Dallas. So that Ram McNally is not the sharpest knife in the drawer. So we gave it a valid try. We updated it and everything, and it doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to agree with me, so we will change that out this weekend. Speed limit is still 45, so we are maintaining 45 going down this grade. I think we have a really light load. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Suspension gauge is only on like 25. So we are good. Made 4 hours of detention time at $50 an hour, which is awesome because we only have a 1,200 mile run to do between Friday and Monday. So we are in good shape. So now we just got to get across Flagstaff without the rain. And today looks to be clear, so we will make it across there today. Anyway, that you are looking at there ahead of you is Lake Mead. I got it the same hand motion I do. But I mean, the speed limit was 45, you know, and I'm doing exactly, well, I'm sorry, I'm doing 46. So all these people are speeding. Come on. No, now, speed limit 55. Yep, it just went up. I think we'll do 50. Watch that white van there, Harley. Shot some footage coming north. We'll shoot some footage going south. Pretty sure sign says something about high-profile vehicles, strong crosswinds. I didn't see what lane it said, but I'm going to stay in the left because I don't want to blow over the edge of the wall, wind up down there in the river, wind up against the Hoover Dam. Optimus Prime might be down there, right? Maybe he would fly over there and catch me. ahead left lane. Okay. High profile vehicles use left lane. But I guessed right. Hey, like that. Next 2 miles. But these cars probably can't read those signs. They get mad at me for being left lane, you know. Back there flashing their lights like, move out of the way, truck. Speed limit is 55 and I am doing 58. And there's that bump. At least the Garmin's say the speed limit is 55. I could have swore I thought it was 45. Right here's where the crosswinds. I wish you guys could see that bridge. I've been down there and looked at it. It's pretty amazing. They called it a modern marvel. I think that's what they called it. I read all about it. Engineering. Something. I don't know.
Crossing border, entering Arizona.
Go on with your bad stuff there, white man.
Changing time zone.
Oh, we can get in the right lane. Wait till we get around this little white car. I am glad to be leaving Vegas, I'll tell you that. But I'll be back. It's trade show season. People over here drive like stinking idiots. And they're impatient, hateful. Dudes like it. Beautiful country, isn't it? I got one comment I said, if you like dirt. But we can't say that here because we got little patches of green stuff that turns into tumbleweeds. There's a little silver Hyundai right here. They coming up on, you guys will see in a minute. They like matching my speed. When I was in the left lane, they were hanging out back there on the right, causing a bit of a traffic cluster. But this grade's gonna pull me down, so maybe he'll go on. Bridge number 2. I had never seen any wildlife up here though. And are they smart enough to use the bridge? that blue one. That road glide I got, that's about the right size. I've sat on a few of those Ultra Classics, and they just seem too big to me. I don't know. Sometimes that road glide's too much. I know road glide I got's ugly, but that's a good riding bike. There's a little grandma that passed her side of this white car. She came by holding up her cell phone. Yeah, look, there's somebody in the back taking a picture now. She took a picture of us. She got inside my truck and took a picture. I saw the camera thing flash. I thought she was going to slow down and get another picture of it. But they're going on. Wearing me out.